Hey, he danced on the field on y'all. It's like a Brent Field. They said they gonna pop on the podcast.
Who got my back? Who got my back? Who got my back? 1-4. Who got my back? Who got my back?
Second and 8 on the 18-yard line for the Cardinals.
Hold on, Keith.
It is the 6U division.
Hey, that's you in front of you. Hey, you got here fight.
Direct snap to number 8. He get to the outside. Oh, he made one miss. Touchdown.
That's the Heisman Trophy winner right there. They don't believe. They don't believe. They don't believe. Never. Hey, Brent.
Hey, what's the score? What's the score? What's the score? It's 6-0, y'all. 6-0. I'm a little late, but it's 6-0. I don't know the time. Oh, 4 minutes in the first quarter. Second.
4-4 remaining.
Okay. 4-4 remaining in the second quarter. I mean,
10 seconds.
6-0. Hit out from. We got a flag on the play.
No. What you got? Okay. What you got? Okay, both coaches are still in the box, so that's going to be illegal formation on both sides. Hey, coach. Offsetting. We're going to replay the down. When I say get back, you got to be out the box.
Both coaches in the box.
Okay, we have 2 flags on the. We have a flag on each team. Legal formation on defense. In the box when the quarterback is calling cadence. Legal formation on the offense. Coaches in the box while the quarterback's calling cadence. By rule, those penalties offset. We replay the try.
Okay, after the penalty, Cardinals will go for the extra point. The score is 6-0, Cardinals way. It is the second quarter. Got like 4 minutes and 4 seconds left. Coach Brent getting the player set. Hitting on. He get outside. Oh, he make a miss.
Look at his leg, bro. Well, look at his leg, bro. In the back, That's a red.
Okay, there's no form of play, but the ball didn't have the flag.
Yeah.
No good.
So the extra point is no good. Little man flag was in the back. 6-0. Okay, we flip the field. We got Coach Jay getting his offense together to get his get back against the Cardinals. The score is 6-0. The extra point was no good. Again, we're here at Bishop Dunn. You're watching Hall of Fame TV. We got the 6U flag. Texas Wolves versus Dallas Cardinals. The score is 6-0.
Flag check, coaches. Flag check.
Who y'all lie?
Coaches back.
First down, first and 10. Ball on 30 for the Wolves. Oh, dead ball. We got second down.
3:05.
3 minutes and 5 seconds left in the second quarter. We got second and about 13.
10 seconds. Coaches back.
10 seconds on play clock.
Coaches back. 5.
Damn. So after that play, the Wolves had 12 men on the field. 5-yard penalty, repeat second down. Repeat second down. Two minutes and 30 seconds left until halftime. Texas Wood getting that player set. 10 seconds on the play clock. Timeout, Wolves. We got 1 minute and 57 seconds left in the second quarter.
Who's scared? Who's
Exciting game. It's an exciting game. The score is 6-0. We got 1:30 left in the second quarter before halftime. Cardinals 6, Texas Wolves 0.
Minute 57.
A minute 57 left.
Coach is back. Coach back.
Good job, boy! Good job, boy! Good job, boy!
Good run by number 20.
Let's go!
130.
130 left.
I didn't see it. I'll look for it. 130, 125.
125 left in the second quarter.
1 yard, look for the ball. When you knock it down, look for the ball.
Coach is getting a player set.
Coach is back. Ken.
What they talking about, James? Biggest dog in the kennel, nigga. Biggest dog in the kennel.
Fourth down, Wolves. Fourth down, Wolves. Wolves kind of rattled right now. 40 seconds left in this first half of football. You're watching Hall of Fame TV. We're at Bishop Dunn High School.
30 seconds.
It is the 6U flag division.
Watch the ball.
Coach is back. 10 seconds.
Hey. Can you call it on that? Timeout, Wolves.
They better not get through that no more.
Intensive game. Timeout by the Wolves. We got 30 seconds left. Okay, we got 16 seconds left in this first half. Coach Roddy trying to dial up a play to put these boys in the end zone. The score is 6 Cardinals, Texas Wolves 0. It is the 6U division. Texas Wolves break the huddle. They have to put this ball in the end zone. We're alive. 16 seconds. 16 seconds left. In the first half of football.
Coach is back. Outside.
When do you move?
Outside. Defense. 30-yard penalty. Still fourth down. Still fourth down.
Way to be disciplined. Way to be disciplined. Texas Wood flag offense. Way to be disciplined. It's still fourth now. Bring on 4th and 2. 4th and 2.
Clock will start at the snap of the ball.
16 seconds. 16 seconds.
Coach back. Coach is back. Coach is back.
Run it. Run it. Biggest dog in the kennel, though. Don't worry about it. Biggest dog in the kennel.
So we flip the field. Dallas Cardinals get the ball. We got the famous coach Brent about to dial up a play. We got like 12 seconds. 12 seconds left. Got like 12 seconds left in the first half. Can the Cardinals dial up a play after the stop on defense? Okay, we got 11 seconds. We got 11 seconds left before halftime. Can Dallas Cardinals put the ball in the end zone and go up 12-0 before half?
Go, Keith.
Timeout, 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 timeout. Coach Brent finna dial up a play. Got 12 seconds left. 12 seconds left until halftime.
Hold on. Wait time to whistle.
Hey! Be still.
4 seconds.
It's open!
Balls away.
Oh, it's picked. And it's picked. Hey, let's still bring us to halftime. Still bring us to halftime.
Hey, God, you ain't even looking! Get him like this! Get him like this!
Number one!
Halftime, 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 halftime.
Let's go! Hey, we getting no chance.
Okay, we back live. We back live, man. It's the second half of the Texas Wolves versus Cardinals. The score is 6-0. You are watching Hall of Fame TV.
We getting out.
Let's see after halftime, did Texas Wolves coach their boys up.
Game clock is going.
This is the third quarter. This is the third quarter.
Let's go! Watch the ball! Hey, watch the ball! Hey, Rob. Hey, right there. Rob, hey, right. Right there!
Dead ball, dead ball, dead ball, dead ball.
Second down! Hey, all the way to the side. Because they're close to his back. Let's go! Second down!
Dead ball, dead ball.
But.
Second down, second down.
We can run plays, bro.
Flag taken. Right here.
Flag was pulled here. Flag was pulled here.
Third down, third down, third down. 3rd and 10. 3rd and 10 for the Wolves. You hear the crowd cheering them on. The crowd cheering them on. Trying to get the Wolves turned up to get in the end zone. 3rd down, 3rd and 10, 3rd and 10. It is the third quarter. Third down, we got 10 seconds on play clock.
5. Coach is back.
Watch the ball, y'all.
Flag on the play.
Delay a game. Offense. 5 yards. Third down.
Repeat third down, repeat third down. All right, do Cardinals have the Wolves rattled right now? Third down, third and 14, third and 14 for the Wolves. 6.5 minutes left in the third quarter. It is third down and 14. 6-0 Cardinals way. Got a flag on the play. Flag pulled by number 19. And we got a flag on the play.
The biggest dog. I know what it is, dog.
Holding. Offense. Number 23. That penalty is declined. Fourth down.
Fourth down.
Don't give us no short field.
Fourth down. So the Wolves will pump the ball. We will flip the field. Okay, we flip the field. Cardinals get the ball after Texas Wolves punt the ball. We got 6 minutes and 8 seconds left in this third quarter. The score is Texas Wolves 0, Dallas Cardinals 6.
Coach is back.
Number 19. He's still running. Flag, got a flag on the play.
So personal foul. Okay, so where's the ball? End of the play. Where's the end of the play? What you got? Illegal tackle. Where's the end of the play? Right here. Okay, that's where the right here. Play the game, bro. Hey, stop the foul. Unnecessary roughness on the defense for tackling. That's going to be an additional 15 yards from the end of the play. First down.
First down, Cardinals. First down, Cardinals. Hey, Brent got these boys fired up out here, man.
Over here. Hey, over here.
5:40 remain in this third quarter. Flag pulled by number 20.
Okay, we have a legal formation on the defense. Coaches were still in the box when the quarterback counted cadence. 5-yard penalty.
Hey, the penalties killed in the Texas Wolves. These penalties killed the Texas Wolves. So they bring up. So it's second down. Decline the penalty, second down and about 5. Second down about 5. Second and 5. Second and 5. Oh, so they taking the penalty.
Defense, coaches in the box after the quarterback started counting cadence. It's going to be 5 yards.
5-yard penalty. Repeat first down. Second down for Cardinals.
Coach is back, 10 seconds.
Second and 10.
Coach is back.
Hold on, we ain't ready, Ralph. We weren't ready. Let's go. Oh, man.
Third down. Third down. Go, Pete.
Hey, hold it!
Come on, man.
There you go.
The clock, ref.
Fourth down.
3:55.
3:55 left in this third quarter. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Fourth down about 14 for the Cardinals.
Timeout, Cardinals. 3:32.
Timeout with 3:32 left in the third quarter. You are watching Hall of Fame TV. Okay, we are back live. Fourth down, 4th and 14.
They did us like that with the coach. He tucked on his jersey, coach. He tucked on his jersey.
Automatic first.
They did us like that. Coach. You better get it. Hold it. Offense, number 10. 10-yard penalty. Hold it. Defense, number 10. That's going to be 10 yards from the end of the run. That's going to be first down.
First down, Wolves. Touchdown, Cardinals. Score is 12-0.
Come here. Everybody line on the line. Go back up.
For the field goal.
12-0 in the third quarter.
Line up.
Touchdown by MVP candidate. Heisman candidate. Okay, so they are going for the extra point. Hand off to the Heisman candidate. He cut up the field. Oh, no good. So the score is 12-6. 12-6. Okay, and after the extra point, no good. We flipped the field. We got 3 minutes and 10 seconds left in the third quarter of action. The score is 12-0. Cardinals 12, Texas Wolves 0. It is the 6U division.
3 minutes.
Go.
10. Coach is back. 5. Snap the ball.
Dead ball. Second down. Wolves.
Line up. Let's go. He got timeout.
Ball was already snapped. Ball was already snapped. Tackle.
1 minute and 50 seconds left. We got second and 15. First and 15. Repeat after the penalty.
Go.
The guard and the tackle on the left side. False start. Offense. Left guard and tackle. 5 yards. Second down.
Got 50 seconds left in the third quarter. First and 20. Second and 20 or first?
James, blow it up. They coming this way.
Call it. Go.
Right there, boy. I know. What you want, gloves? Huh? Shield? He get whatever. You a dog, boy. He get whatever. You a dog, boy. You a dog, boy. He get whatever.
Outside defense. Repeat, second down. So they bring up 2nd and 15. 2nd and 15 after the penalty.
Defense, not lined up, a yard off the ball. 5 yards.
I'm sorry, it was illegal formation. Defense not lined up, a yard off the ball. We got 19 seconds left.
Hey, Coach, you want to take it to quarter? It's 15 seconds. Okay.
James, scoot over that way. Right there. Go up, James. Watch the ball. Go up, James. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Biggest dog in the kill.
End of third quarter.
In the third quarter.
End of third. End of third.
Cardinals 12. Texas Wolves 0. You are watching Hall of Fame TV.
James, get it. Right.
Get under there. Get under there.
Go, Kate.
Third down for the Wolves. We got 9 minutes and 45 seconds left. And it's fourth quarter.
10 seconds. Coach is back. 5. Snap the ball.
Yes, sir.
Delay game. Offense. 5 yards.
It was all on the podcast. Really go. Who you go first? Stop the ball. Get lined up.
Repeat third down.
Here you go. Now them dogs out here, they fly.
Coach is back.
Run the ball. Let's go. Watch that beat. Go. Reverse.
First down. Injury timeout. So after the penalty, we got first down, Wolves.
That's 2 points, bro. What is y'all doing? Y'all just looking, bro. Block somebody.
Take it down.
Hey, come on, give me the ball.
Hey, let's go.
Hey.
10 seconds on play clock.
Watch the ball.
Hey.
Dead ball. Third down.
That's all I asked for.
Third down.
That's all I asked for. Let's go. James, let's go.
Third down, Wolves. We got 7 minutes and 33 seconds left in the fourth quarter. 10 seconds on play clock.
5.
Oh, up the field. Hey.
Downtown, man. That's how you play football. We're going for it.
Fourth down, Wolves. Wolves going for it on the fourth down.
Coach is back. Coach is back.
Turn up on there.
He's whole right side. Y'all not scared, bro. Flag guarding. That penalty's declined. line, turnover on down.
Let's
first
go.
down, Cardinals.
Y'all let's go, man. Y'all, hey, look,
Mr.
hey, y'all mom
Heisman
in the
candidate.
crowd. Y'all mom in the crowd. Wait till y'all mama, man. Go score a touchdown.
We flip the ball, we flip the field. Cardinals will get the ball. With 6 minutes and 21 seconds left. All right, there you go.
Say, all I want to say is, they call themselves the get off boys. They got to get off that #1 spot. It's new king in town, baby. New king in town.
Y'all heard from the Cardinals flag coach, 6U.
You know what I'm saying?
They will be the #1 in the rankings this week.
And he's going to be up #1 for the Heisman, too. You did? What's on, Keith? What he called? What happened? Who moved?
Ball start. Offense. 5 yards. First down. Come here, Keith.
After the penalty, we got 6 minutes and 5 seconds left in the fourth quarter. The score is 12-0 Cardinals way. Dallas Cardinals broke the huddle.
10 seconds. Coach is back. 5.
Five-star offense. Repeat first down, so they bring up first and 20 for the Cardinals.
Come on, man. Oh, my
Five-star offense. 5-yard penalty, repeat first down, so they bring up first and 25.
Go. Outside.
Take it down. We got 4 minutes and 32 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Timeout, Wolves. Dead ball, third down.
Hike the ball, man.
Let's go. Play.
Take it down. Third down.
Hey, back up.
Third down, Cardinals. We got 3 minutes and 55 seconds left in the fourth quarter.
Hey, tell me 5 seconds. Hey, don't hike it until 5 seconds. Hey, hold the ball. Hold it. Hey, I got it.
Don't move the ball. Be still.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Somebody check on Hayes.
Go, King. Cut it up.
Outside. Run!
Good run. First down, Cardinals. Coach Brent get a play call in. We got 2 minutes and 37 seconds left in the fourth quarter. First down, Cardinals. We got 1 minute and 55 seconds left in the fourth quarter. The score is Cardinals 12, Texas Wolves 0.
Cut it up!
Take it down for Cardinals. 1 minute and 22 seconds left. 1 minute and 13 seconds left. And it's ball game. There's exactly 1 minute left in this game.
Who is on? Who is on? Who is on?
No good, no good, no good, no good. False start offense, no good, no good. We got 13 seconds left in the game. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
To the 50. To the 50. To the 50. To the 50.
Yes, sir. You got some of this. Hey, top 2 team that was in flag, we just shut them out back to back. Who the top 2 now?
This is the Cardinal party today, baby.